All right. So our project is called Realtor Vision. Before we go into the details, I would like to tell you a story. In the galaxy far, far away, there's another guy called Han, and I'm going to an open house. And this is the first thing I go into this house. I love this living room, and immediately I pull out an app called Realtor Vision, and I point this camera at this feature and this fireplace, and immediately the app tells me there's two things that I can notice. The paint is recently painted, and the fireplace is gas. It's powered by gas. For me, the fireplace is not so much, so I'm going to press this button and say I'm going to stay neutral to that. But for the painted, I really like it. I'm going to press the green button for that. So I'm moving into the bathroom, and I notice the tile is a little different, so I point a camera at the floor. I realize that, oh my God, this is a heated bathroom floor, and I love it. So I'm going to press the green button for that. Walking out of the house, I see this amazing pool. However, the app noticed a swimming pool and notified me that pool maintenance typically costs $100 to $300 per month. And I'm like, oh my God, that's too much. So I'm not going to go that. So I'm going to press the red for that. And at the end of the day, when I go home, after seeing 5 open houses, Realtor Vision actually helps me sort all the properties that I've seen based on the decisions I've made during the open house, and I was able to quickly determine which house I like the most and make an offer for that. And this is Realtor Vision. However, the reality is that there is no such an experience. We went to open houses, talked to a bunch of buyers, we even talked to listing agents, we even talked to investors, and the problems we summarized to 3 points. First point is that the data is never that easy to be accessible. You go into an open house, the data is not laying there. The only thing that's waiting for you is the listing agent and the pamphlet that they're going to give you that doesn't have all the details. The second thing is that even though if you have information, you never know the potential cost is going to be when you own the house, just like the swimming pool. Last thing is it's really hard to stay organized. If you go to 5 open houses, 10 open houses, at the end of the day, how do you connect all the dots for each houses? How do you conclude which one do you like the most and make an offer on that? Basically, the solution, Realtor Vision, is through an AR program to provide intuitive interactions, in-depth understanding of the property. This last thing is personalized reports to really help you understand which property you like the most. How we're gonna acquire users? We're actually gonna start with major online real estate business, and that the cost is gonna be around $50 per user. Go into business model. How we're going to make money is that we're actually going to refer our very engaged users to realtors, and that charge them a 30% on top of their commission. And their commission is calculated when they close the house, and it's 3% of the transaction price. Basically, if we have 20,000 users times by 3.2% of conversions, I work in the real estate industry and as an analytics manager, so I'm using exclusive data source to calculate this conversion. Finally, per user's value at about $2,000, and that's pretty high. And our revenue estimated to be $1.4 million. Market size, it's huge market size. We're only talking about 5.3 million transaction count in the US last year, and that 47% of them are first-time home buyers. And this is a growing trend, and these users are the people we're targeting and trying to help them, to educate them about buying home. Finally, we have an awesome team. We all love each other, working hard. This project really made us together. And that we have an awesome developer. We have an awesome designer from Elam University. We have 3 business-minded people, and I work in the real estate industry. So